This is Deliverable 2B for Cadets Kaylee Stallings and Dylan Schaff. For the agenda today, we will go over how we manipulated our data, the analysis from the manipulated data, trends we saw, and some recommendations. After we sorted and unpacked the data in the first three requirements for 2B, we manipulated the data by omitting all data before 1950 because our boss said he wanted the relevant data. We also removed all of the weather stations that had less than 10 data points because those would not show a significant increase or decrease in temperature. For our analysis, we found the slope of each weather station using VBA. First, we tested that out on some sample data and then applied it to our data. After we found the slope for each station, we sorted the data by the slope and classified negative and positive slopes. Negative slopes have their name is blue, while positive slopes are just white. The larger the slope means the greater change over the years for that particular station. Some trends we saw. There weren't really any significant trends in the data. There were a relatively equal amount of positive and negative slopes, meaning a relatively equal amount of positive changes in temperature as well as negative changes in temperature. And the larger values for slope were spread around the Arctic Circle. For example, our largest slope was in Alaska, and the second largest was in Greenland, with the third largest being in Norway. So as you can see, they were all spread around the Arctic Circle. Our recommendation for this project was to drill in stations with the highest positive slope, meaning drill in the stations that have the highest increase in temperature, so you don't have to drill through as much ice. And these stations include a station in Greenland, a station in Norway, a station in Alaska, and then another station in